Welcome back to our lecture video. So this time, let us know the integral using the what we call the power formula. So we have the power formula. Or the what we call the power function. So the integral of the power function is the integral of the u with the power, the integral of u to its power n du is obtained by adding 1 to the exponent and then dividing u by its new exponent, which is n plus 1, then plus c. Wherein here we must note that our n is not equal to -1. So this is only applicable if our n is not equal to -1. So this is our power formula for power function. So now let's have a simple example regarding this power function. So for our example, let's integrate x to the 4 dx. So our x here has a power of 4, so we have to copy the variable like this x and then add by adding 1 to its power or exponent 4. So we have 4 plus 1, which is 5. And then the 4 plus 1 will be divided to its whole term, like in our equation. So we have 2 divide x raised to 4 plus 1 to its n plus 1, which is 4 plus 1. And then, of course, to finally finish the problem, you need to add plus c, or the constant of integration. So let us now simplify. We have x raised to 5 all over 4 plus 1 is equal to 5, then plus c. So that is now our final answer. We have x to the 5th over 5 plus c. So the integral of x to the 4 dx is x to the 5 over 5 plus c. By simply following this rule, the power formula, okay? By adding 1 to its exponent and dividing all terms by its new exponent. And of course, do not forget to add the constant of integration c. Okay, so let's have another example. So let's say integrate integral of what, let's say we have z raised to 1/4. So the power is in terms of fraction. We have z raised to 1/4. So we can apply the power formula on this we simply adding 1. This is now our n. 2. We simply adding 1 to our n. So we have z 1/4 plus 1, then all over 1/4 plus 1. So you need to review your algebra here, and of course plus c, do not forget. So let us simplify this 1/4 plus 1. We have 1/4 plus 1, we have 5/4 all over 5/4. Okay, and of course our constant c. Then to simplify this further, let us move the 4 to the numerator. Again, this is simply algebra. 5/4 all over 5. Okay, then plus c. Okay, I advise once again to review your formula in order for you to simply simplify this integral. Okay, so that is our final answer. So another example, let's integrate. Let me think for a variable. Let's say we have a variable t raised to n let's say we have 4t cubed, so there is a constant 4, and then we have t raised to 3 dt. So we need to apply the our rule for constant, and we can move the 4 outside the integral sign, and then remain the 3 cubed dt as your integrand. Okay, so we have 4, and then the integral of t cube is that 3 plus 1, which is 4, divided by its new n, which is 4, then plus c. So as you can see here, you can now easily cancel out the 4 over 4, which is equal to 1. Then we have 1t raised to 4, or just simply t to the 4 plus c. So this is our final answer. The integral of 4t cubed dt is just t to the 4th plus c. Once again, the integral of 4t cubed dt is just t to the 4 plus c. Okay, box out our final answer. So that is all for this video. I hope you learned something. See you next time.